Welcome to Gyan Setu, the Knowledge Bridge. Class 9 NCERT Exercise 1.2. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Class 9 Exercise 1.2 from NCERT. First question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Statement 1. Every irrational number is a real number. We know that collection of rational and irrational number are real number. So this statement is true, as the collection of all rational and irrational number are real numbers. Statement 2. Every point on number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. It is not possible, because irrational number can be represented on number line. False. There are infinite number on number line between root 2 and root 3 that can't be represented as root m, m being a natural number. Statement 3. Every real number is an irrational number. This statement is also false, because real number can be rational numbers. And what is rational number? Numbers which are in form of p by q, and q is not equals to 0. Question number 2. Are the square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. So, we have to give some examples. The square root of all positive integers are not irrational. So we can see, for example, root 4 equals to 2, root 9 equals to 3, root 16 equals to 4, etc., which are rational number. 2, 3, 4, these are rational numbers. Question number 3. Show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. So we will discuss how can we represent root 5 on number line. First, we have to we need to draw a line segment OA. Here you can see, this is the number line. We put O here, then unit 1 and 2, 3. First, we will do according to the Pythagoras theorem. This is, we know that h square is equals to p square plus b square. H is hypotenuse, p is perpendicular, b is base. Here you can see OB is the hypotenuse and OA is the base and AB is the perpendicular line. So OB square equals to, we have taken OA as 2 units and AB to 1 unit. First we take 2 units, then we have to construct a 90-degree angle. So we can draw from a compass or by protractor also. Here we have drawn 90-degree angle, then it is 1 unit. 2 square equals to 4 and 1 square equals to 1. 4 plus 1, 5, and it will be square comes here, then it will be root, then root 5. OB equals to root 5. We have proved here. Now you can see the steps also. We need to draw a line segment OA of 2 units on the number line. Then draw a perpendicular line segment AB at A of 1 unit. This is for 1 unit. Then join the points O and B to form a line segment OB. Here the line segment OB according to Pythagoras theorem, and here is the theorem. Then draw the arc OBC to get the number root 5 on the number line. Now you have to make an arc from O and B. Make, and this is the arc. This point called C. Then OC is equals to root 5 or OB equals to root 5. Both are same. OB and OC both are same. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu.